Good morning, class 7. In the previous class, you have read about the exponent of a rational number, and today we are going to understand the laws of exponent. So take a look at this. The chapter is exponent and power. Topic is laws of exponent part 1. The first law we have to discuss here. In this first law, if x is any rational number where x is not equal to 0, that is non-zero rational number, and m and n are positive integers, then x to the power m into x to the power n equals x to the power m plus n. In general, x to the power m into x to the power n into x to the power p into x to the power q, that is x equal to x to the power m plus n plus p plus q. It means the power will be added when two numbers are multiplied in the form of exponents having the same base. So this law can be extended when the numbers in the exponential form to multiplied are more than 2 but has the same base. For example, 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 2 by 3 to the power 5. Here you can see both the rational numbers, both the forms having the same base 2 by 3 and powers are different. And these are multiplied, so you have to write 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 plus 5. That is, we have to add the powers. That is 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now, minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 into minus 3 by 7 to the power 4. Here you can see the bases are minus 3 by 7 and powers are different and multiplied. So you have to write minus 3 by 7 to the power 3 plus 4. Power will be added, that is 7. So minus 3 by 7 to the power 7. You just add the powers if the bases are same. 4 by 5 to the power 2 into 4 by 5 to the power 3 into 4 by 5 to the power 4. You can see there are three numbers extended and powers are 2, 3 and 4. Then 4 by 5 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will be 9. So 4 by 5 to the power 9 is the answer. Here in the next example you can see minus 1 by 4 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 4 to the power 5 into minus 1 by 4 to the power 6. That also give you minus 1 by 5 to the power 3 plus 5 plus 6. That equals minus 1 by 5 to the power 14. In the next example, minus 9 by 10 to the power 2 minus 9 by 10 to the power 4 into minus 9 by 10 to the power 3 into minus 9 by 10 to the power 6 into minus 9 by 10 to the power 8. You can see there are 5 terms and powers are different but bases are same. So you have to write the base minus 9 by 10 to the power and you have to add all these powers 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 6 plus 8. That will give you minus 9 by 10 to the power 23. Now the second law, law A. If x be any rational number, x is not equal to 0, that is non-zero rational number, m and n be positive integers such that m is greater than n, then x to the power m divided by x to the power n equals x to the power m minus n. It means 5 by 7 to the power 6 divided by 5 by 7 to the power 3. The bases are same and here the operation is division. Then 5 by 7 to the power 6 minus 3, that will give you 3. It means 5 by 7 to the power 3. Minus 2 by 11 to the power 9 divided by minus 2 by 11 to the power 4. You can see Here also division symbol. So minus 2 by 11 to the power 9 minus 4. That will give you minus 2 by 11 to the power 5. Again minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power 2. Then you have to subtract minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 by minus 2. It means in division we have to subtract the powers. Now the second law, B, that is, if x be any non-zero rational number, m and n be positive integers such that m is less than n if in this time, then x to the power m divided by x to the power n equals 1 by x to the power n minus m, greater minus smaller. For example, you can see 2 by 5 to the power 4 and 2 by 5 to the power 6 division. Here you can see the m is less than n. So you have to write that directly, that 1 by 2 by 5 to the power 6 minus 4. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So 1 by 2 by 5 to the power 2. You can write it as a reciprocal. So 5 by 2 to the power 2. Minus 7 by 11 to the power 3 divided by minus 7 by 11 to the power 6. Once again you can write 1 by minus 7 by 11 to the power 6 minus 3. That will give you 1 by minus 7 by 11 to the power 3, and by reciprocal you can write minus 11 by 7 to the power 3. In the next law, third law, if x is a non-zero rational number, then x to the power 0 is 1. X to the power 0 is 1. Any rational number power 0 is 1. For example, 2 by 3 to the power 0 is 1. Minus 7 by 13 to the power 0 is 1. 9 by 44 to the power 0 is 1. Minus 8 by minus 7 to the power 0 is 1. How can you prove? 3 by 7 to the power 0 can be written as 3 by 7 to the power 1 minus 1. And this can be written as 3 by 7 to the power 1 divided by 3 by 7 to the power 1. Then you can write 3 by 7 divided by 3 by 7 and 3 by 7 into 7 by 3. Reciprocal, then you will get 1. It means p by q in the generalized form, p by q to the power 0 equals p by q to the power m minus m, where m is any integer. Then p by q to the power m divided by p by q to the power m. Same number is divided by same number, that will give you 1. And the fourth law, if x be any rational number, x is not equal to 0, that is non-zero rational number, and x to the power m to the power n is x to the power m into n. For example, 2 to the power 5 into 6, 2 to the power 5 into 2 whole to the power 6, that will give you 2 to the power 5 into 6, that is 2 to the power 30. I think